Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off sound effects in Fishdom. Whether you want to enjoy the game quietly or hear all the fun sound effects, I'll walk you through the steps, so let's dive in. First of all, launch open your Fishdom application on your device like you normally do, and once you're in this main home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left. Now, click on the music note and speaker icon so that you can enable or disable the music and sound effect. To turn off the sound effect, tap on the music note and speaker icon and make sure that they are crossed with a line in order to turn off the music. Now, if your music and sound speaker icon looks like this, then you will be playing your game without any sound effect. If you wish to turn them back on again, just tap on the options, and that will help you easily turn on and off the sound effect on Fishdom. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.